Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Facebook followers public. First, open your Facebook application or website. Navigate to your profile and find the main menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a downward arrow. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. This will take you to your account's core configuration page, where we can adjust your follower visibility. Once you are in the main settings area, look for the privacy option in the left-hand menu. Click on this to access your privacy tools and settings. Within the privacy section, you'll need to locate public posts. This specific area manages who can see your posts, comments, and, importantly, who can follow you on Facebook. It's a crucial step to ensure your follower count is visible. Now, within the Public Posts section, you will see an option titled Who Can Follow Me. By default, this might be set to Friends. To make your followers public, you must change this setting to Public. This action allows anyone on Facebook to follow your profile and see your public follower count. Double-check that other related public post settings are also set to Public for maximum reach. After making these adjustments, Facebook typically saves changes automatically. To verify, log out of your account or ask a friend to view your profile. Check if your follower count is now displayed publicly on your profile page. This confirms that your settings have been successfully updated. Remember, making your followers public can increase your profile's visibility and engagement on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.